How to reset WhatsApp two-step verification pin without email. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and check if you have an updated version of the WhatsApp application on your device. So just tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. So let's tap on open and it will add us to the WhatsApp application. So all you need to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and tap on settings. Tap on accounts over here. As you do that, tap on two-step verification. So here, when you do that, you can just tap on change pin over here. And then tap on save. Now as you do that, now you can just go back and then relaunch the WhatsApp application again. So here you'll have to enter your pin over here. So just what you need to do is tap on forgot pin. So here it directly gives you an option to turn off two-step verification if you forgot the pin. So you can just tap on turn off. And this way you can just reset your WhatsApp two-step verification pin without email, and you can just go to your WhatsApp and relaunch and again put your WhatsApp verification pin. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.